That have been in progress since we closed the hatch. This is bringing aboard the 60-40 combination atmosphere in the cabin, 60% oxygen, 40% nitrogen. The atmosphere we desire for ground testing and for the early phases of flight on Apollo mission.
So, does that?
Keith's found a couple of electric anchor winches after he painfully watched Captain pull up the anchor in 20 knots.
And it cost us nothing. It was just left to slip.
Yeah.
So it's you can't get much better price than that unless somebody pays you to take it away.
Yeah. How exciting. A few hours just trying to take this winch off. Must have been on here for since 1958. Doesn't want to come off, but I'll get it off. It's the last thing I do. The colour of it is just, it's beautiful.
Off the deck. Is there a screw in the side? I think there's a screw.
If you have a look there, you'll see there's a screw in the side key.
Okay. Look, I'm just fitting a very simple little fit here. We need a block under the winch in this area, and one way of fitting it is just, instead of measuring anything, is just take anything. I'll just mark the end so I know which way we went. So supposing we let it go in that far, then supposing I mark around here that. Moved. Now our length, we're going a bit longer, so you can use anything for this sort of thing. So I mean, often I'll mark something like that, you know. This end, we're going to be a teeny bit longer here. If I mark that like that, and that's got all the information. So then we just go to our pattern. So, could I get you to put a finger on this? If it moves, it mucks the whole thing up. So that was again hard against the post. We decided we'd check it in that far, and that'll run parallel up here, sort of thing. We decided the front would be there, the back would be there, and then don't let it move now. And then we've got a hole here, and which end's what? And I just run around like, if I could do it. I'm not steady on my hand, but there's actually many ways of doing this. I probably didn't pick the best one, but what I might do is, since I can't hold it steady, I just put a load of ticks, since I'm too not used to being on camera. I just put a load of ticks and make my circle after. Sort of thing. Well, I might I'll come around here a bit. There's other ways I could have done that. I could have put this against the pipe and put ticks out here and gone back. So basically, I'll correct this a little bit when I go downstairs with the square, but pretty much that's the front, that's the back, that's where the Samson post is, and we got yet to decide where we cut it here, because the winch is sitting in that area.
Yeah, amazing.
Okay.
Just to do that with this little piece here.
Okay.
And the way you just kind of use this as an arc.
There's many ways of doing this, but I wasn't brilliant at maths, so I learned all the tricks that don't involve anything complicated. Anyway,
okay. Yeah.
I'm just saying that's the pattern we marked out before.
So a little template that we've made. Yeah.
We could have, from that thing I did, going straight onto the wood.
Yeah.
Wanting it to be not wanting to muck up, I made a pattern.
Yeah.
And dumped it. Yeah, we've got to put a bit on deck if you've got some spare.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've got heaps. Give it a good coat.
And what timber is it, Keith?
It's Quila. It's a New Guinea hardwood. It's a very nice timber. But when it's new, if it's not sealed, when it rains, a brown stain will run out of it. So that was jamming it.
Yeah.
So that's a bit of wood. And the idea is this is sitting on top in that region to catch this attach the chain.
Yeah.
Little tap. It's flush.
Yeah.
We played this game.
Fits after all that.